Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to share my new Cricut maker machine with you guys. So this is somewhat of an unboxing video and just a little chit chat with you guys. So I hope you enjoy. With the Cricut maker machine, and I got this one. It's the blue one. This machine includes the premium fine point blade, the rotary blade, and a fine point pen. Also, you can purchase these other tools separately. So I just pulled mine out of the box, and it's wrapped like this. Now, I have no idea how to work this machine, so I will definitely be playing around with it to learn. Also included in the box was a fabric grip cutting mat, and then also a light grip cutting mat, this blue one. But I also purchased, the day after Christmas, I purchased a strong grip cutting mat, which is the purple one. And I am going to just grab that. And I'm sorry for all the movement. I'm holding the camera in my hand. So I purchased this one. Michael's had buy one, get one 50% off on Cricut tools and things like that. And I also bought this toolkit. So this was on sale. Buy one, get one 50 off. These cutting mats, I believe, regularly are like 17 bucks, I believe. And then this kit was like $26. So bought one, got one half off. So I have these three mats to start me off. And then the tool kit. This was also included in the box. And this is just the adapter cord for the machine to plug in, and then there's also this little box that says let's get started. So I am going to go ahead and unwrap my machine, open this up, and see what I need to do next. Okay, so I took the plastic off the machine. I did plug the machine into the outlet, and this little box that says let's get started, I'm going to open that up. And it has materials for your first project. So it's just like a little envelope. And so I'll take a look at that in a sec. And then this next thing says open me first. So I will open that. And this is a welcome book. Looks like just instructions and things. And here is the blade right here. What else? Okay, and then this is a cord that goes from the machine to my computer. Here is that pen that comes with the machine. It's just a black fine point pen. This is the rotary blade cap. So this is the cap that goes on the rotary blade. And then also just I guess warranty statement. So that is everything that was in that little box. So I am going to stack these things back in here, and then I'm going to open this up first, see what this is all about, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have already set up my machine. It was super easy. They do go through it with you step by step. So right now I have my machine sitting on my desk here, but I won't keep it there. because I plan to use it with my Android tablet and just connect it by Bluetooth, which is an awesome option. And I'm going to show you the cart that my husband bought me, so that he bought me a rolling cart, so that it's easy for me to move the machine around my craft space if I'm not sitting at my desk right here. So I also downloaded the Cricut Design Space, and I also subscribed for you know, free files and whatnot. When you first get it, they will give you a 1-month free trial for this, and this is the Design Space. Now, I'm so new, so I played around with the machine for a little bit, and they included one little project, just a starter project to make. It was a little card. Let me see if I can pull it out. It's hard because I don't have my camera on a tripod. I'm holding it, so I'm sorry, I'm not trying to get y'all seasick with all this movement, but okay. So I kind of messed up on this, but this is the starter project. It's a smile card, and this is the one that they have for you to try when setting up your machine. I think it's really cute. However, I wasn't being careful when I was pulling this up off the mat, so I did tear a little bit of my paper, but I just think it's really cute, and I think the possibilities with this machine are endless. I also I wish I could have got it on camera, me doing my first project for you guys, but it's kind of hard to hold the camera without me having my tripod here. So I also design cut this cute little layered bow, and I just think it's really cute. I was just playing around with it, and I really love it because I don't have any dies like this. So I mean, I just can't wait. I can't wait to do some t-shirt projects and some, you know, home interior projects. I just can't wait. But yeah, it was super easy to set up. I will say that as far as working in Design Space, I definitely will need to do my research and watch more tutorials and just kind of play around more, you know, with it. But yeah, so here is the machine. And also, you guys, I'm going to pan over because my husband not only bought me the machine for Christmas, but he also bought me the Easy Press. And the Easy Press is the same color as my Cricut with the blue. And I'm going to pan over. I haven't even taken it out of the box or anything. But yeah, so I'm going to take that out of the box and get that set up as well. But I really just want to play around with the machine first. So I love the fact that they kind of match. Now, I'm not sure if you guys know this, but depending on the color of the Cricut machine that you want, you may be able to get it cheaper. Some colors are more expensive than others, because the Easy Press that I got at Hobby Lobby, they wanted $199 for it. Well, Michael's had it on sale for $70. It was $69.99 at Michael's, and you cannot beat that. And it was because they told us that it was because of the color. So obviously, I guess it wasn't a popular color. They said that the raspberry one is a really popular color, and it just cost a lot more. And I'm gonna pan over and also show you guys this cart that we got. And this is the Recollections Essex cart, and I got this one because it is made to hold the Cricut or Cricut Maker, and also, if you can see on the box there, there's an easy press, and also a little storage container there for your vinyl rolls and all your rolls, and then also some drawers at the bottom, which this was on sale right after Christmas too. So we got that, and then I also got one of these little Lexington 3-tier rolling carts. I got that as well. I have so much stuff, and I have to try and get more organized. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. But I'm gonna stop the camera really fast, and we've already put together my cart. So I just want to kind of show you guys. So 1 second, I'm gonna stop it, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the cart put together, and I just have my box sitting on there right now, but that is where I will put my Cricut Maker. And this extra extension right here folds down, and I'm just gonna slide this in the corner by my desk, and I can always just pull it out. So a lot of space for storage. So I'm going to put my easy press right here, and then on this side I'll keep my vinyl rolls, kind of just like they got it on the box, because I think that's really that's a really good workable thing, I guess, as far as accessibility goes. So either that or I can put the vinyl rolls in those drawers. I don't know, we'll see. But I could also keep my cutting mats in there, which I think I already mentioned to y'all. It came with one light grip cutting mat and one of the fabric cutting mats. Yeah, the fabric grip. And then I bought the strong grip. And then also, guys, since I have you here, I'm going to let you know that I found a cutting mat at Tuesday morning, and I'm going to show that to you. And it's supposed to be, it is by American Crafts, and it's supposed to be, trying to hold the camera and get my stuff out. I'm sorry. Okay, so here it is. It is a cutting mat, and it's by American Crafts, and it says it's the standard grip. So I don't even have a standard grip, which is the green one from Cricut. I don't have that one. So this one says standard grip, and it says works with any die cutting machine. So I'm gonna try it out. I mean, it looks just like my Cricut mats, so I'm gonna see how well this works. This was at Tuesday morning, you guys, for $6.99. Now mind you, you're gonna pay maybe $17 up to $20 each mat at Hobby Lobby and Michael's, or maybe even more. So I wish I had known about this, but actually this was the last one at my Tuesday morning, and I grabbed it up so fast. So I got that. And another thing that I found at Tuesday morning that I wish I would have waited until I went to Tuesday morning, and that's these vinyl rolls. So I'm just going to show you here. So I got these vinyl rolls. Now, I know y'all might be saying, you know, she just got the machine, she's buying all this stuff, you know, but $5.49. And this is the Cricut glitter vinyl roll, and this one is $3.49. This one is the Cricut vinyl roll. This is a black one, and then this one right here has multicolors, and this one is Cricut also, only $5.99. And let me see if I can show you the ones that I purchased from Michael's. Again, sorry for all the movement, but Okay, so these all came from Michael's and Hobby Lobby's actually. So let me see. Okay, no, I got the sister roll, and this is a heat transfer vinyl. It's the Stretch HTV vinyl, and I got this one from Michael's, and I was trying to see the price on there because I believe these are regular $14.99. And then I got the vinyl stencil was $7.99, which wasn't bad at Hobby Lobby. And then I got the Strong Grip transfer tape by Cricut, and it was $8.99 at Hobby Lobby. I got this one, which was $14.49, and this is the holographic sparkle vinyl. So as y'all can see, if you can find them at Tuesday Morning, they're way cheaper at Tuesday Morning. So just wanted to put that out there, and I was just happy to know that I could go to Tuesday Morning and buy my vinyl, because they have quite a bit at Tuesday Morning. So before I purchase vinyl and things like that from Hobby Lobby's and Michael's, I'm going to definitely check at Tuesday Morning first. So I'm so excited about this. And I did show you guys the tools. I got the toolkit that had the scissors, the little weeder pick tool, had a spatula here, the little scraper tool, and then also the tweezers. So, and I love this little compartment over here to hold things. And then there's also a compartment right down here where I plan to keep all my extra like blades and tools. So really love this machine. It's really sleek, and like I said, I've cut this little bow out. I also cut some letters out because I wanted to make a birthday card for my mom, and I was just, you know, wanting to just test out my machine. Really, really cute. And now I really don't have to buy as many, you know, wafer thin dies or metal dies, because now with everything that's on Design Space, I could probably just cut it out right with my machine. And I'm going to try to utilize this machine every chance I get. I just love this machine, and I want to do some DIY craft projects and things like that I can share with you guys. But I'm probably gonna have to get a tripod, my tripod set up to where it'll be easier for you guys to kind of see and follow along with me. So anyway, guys, I just want to thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll definitely be coming on doing some more videos on how I've been using this, how I've been liking this machine, and sharing some projects with you guys. I did buy one of these t-shirt form boards because I do plan on making a t-shirt. That's why I got that HTV, because I wanted to just come up with a cute inspirational saying and put it on a t-shirt, and I really want to share that project with you guys too. But I definitely have been doing some research about this, and I do know that I need to play around with it and learn a little bit more about it before I just jump in and start using up my vinyl. So that will do it for this video, guys. If you like it, like I said, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please click that link below to subscribe. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.